Today topic is measurable properties of gas. In the measurable properties, mass, volume, temperature, pressure, these four properties we can measure for the gas, right? In that first property, mass. The mass we are taking in the two systems generally. One is CGS and one is MKS. MKS another name is SI system also. The CGS generally C for centimeter, G for gram, S for second time. So in the mass we are taking in the grams. MKS or SI we are taking in the kilograms. But for the gas generally we are taking in the moles. Instead of taking grams and kilograms, we are taking moles. So we have to know that how to convert into moles. So mole formula is given mass of the gas upon molar mass. You know that molar mass means. So this is about mass. Next, volume. Volume generally in the ml, milliliter and liters we are taking. ml, 1 ml equal to 1 centimeter cube. 1 liter equal to 1 decimeter cube. 1 decimeter and 1 centimeter. The relation is 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. Okay? But when we are talking about MKS or SI system, we have to take meter cube, not decimeter or some other things. Okay? Kilogram here, meter is there. So we have to take the meter cube. 1 meter cube equal 1000 liters. 1000 liters. As well, we can write 10 cube decimeter cube. Okay? The relation between decimeter and meter. 1 meter equal 10 decimeter. Okay? That's why 1 meter cube equal to 10 cube decimeter cube. 10 cube means 1000. 1 decimeter cube equal liter. 1000 liter. Then temperature. Temperature generally we are taking in the Kelvin. The CGS and MKS are only Kelvin. We are not taking degree Celsius because in the degree Celsius certain compounds temperature is maybe 0 degree Celsius, sometimes minus 20 and plus 20 is there. Answer numerical you will get same. In case of 0, so you will get 0 value. So so many confusions are there, contradictions are there. That's why we are taking the Kelvin. In the Kelvin you never get negative value. The ideal value minus 273 degrees Celsius equal to 0 Kelvin, that is impossible. वो 0 भी नहीं होता है. चलो next, pressure. Pressure में we are taking so many units are there. Generally we are taking atmosphere, but here liter. Atmosphere also we are liter atmosphere another thing. See here pressure generally 760 millimeter of mercury. This is also we can write 76 centimeter of mercury. Then this equal 1 atm atmospheric pressure. Then this is equal 1.013 bar. Okay, so generally in the SI units we will take the bar. As well, here some more words we will get it. 760 millimeter of mercury. This is equal to 760 torr. ये physics में ज़्यादा use करते हैं. Torr. So indirectly 1 millimeter of mercury equal to 1 torr. 1 millimeter of mercury equal to 1 torr. So these are all things you have to know. So ATM and bar most nearest values. So numerical में इतना ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, लेकिन specifically they will ask you have to take the values. As well, one more is there, pascals. The pascal is same value as this 1.013 into 10 power 5 pascals. Into 10 power 5 extra. Okay, that is a pascal, that is also important. So these all units required. Just you note down as this is much enough regarding this. Next we will enter into gaseous laws. Boyle's law. Boyle's law. The second one is Charles law or Charles law. Charles law. Then Gay-Lussac law. Gay-Lussac law. Then Avogadro's law. Later we will discuss. First of all, the three laws. Boyle's law. See, measurable properties generally P, pressure, volume, temperature. ये तीनों का relations we will discuss. Out of these three, we have to keep it. One is constant. Generally mass भी है mass. Measurable properties. इसमें two things we have to make it constant. Then remaining two का we can make the relationship. Now Boyle's law. So Boyle's law में first of all in all these laws we are taking fixed amount of gas. Fixed amount of gas means indirectly mass तो constant हो गया सब में. Generally we are taking one. ठीक है. अब remaining में whenever we are discussing these laws we will mention one is constant, remaining two. वो relation बता. अभी Boyle's law में we will derive the relation between P versus V since T is the constant. T is the constant. Sir, n तो already constant था, फिर भी लिख सकते हैं n also constant. N or m we can write. Now P versus V, pressure and volume. General thing. Say you can take any syringe or any just one container. You can take it. एक कंटेनर है, ठीक है, is a 10 liter gas in there, okay, piston, I am pressing, applying more force, then what will happen, this piston, this Durkan will go down, okay, maybe it will come like this, then the second final volume, V final equal to maybe 5 liters, V initial था वो 10 liters, वो 5 लीटर कैसे बन गया, वो खुद बन गया क्या? No, I applied some force. That means nothing but pressure. I applied the pressure. When pressure is rising, the volume will be decreased. Direct relation. So I can write it here. The pressure is inversely proportional to volume. Right? Clear? Then, if I applied same equation at two different conditions means वही था, ये 10 liters था पहले, 10 liters, ठीक है, इस टाइम में maybe pressure is P1, volume V1, then I am applying the pressure, वो बन गया, इस टाइम में pressure P2, here P2 is higher than the P1. I am applying extra pressure. Then the volume will be decreased, V2. Since here हो जाएगा V2 is smaller than the V1. Yes? Then the bigger one, see P1 में P1 is the higher, sorry, P1 is the smaller and V2 is the smaller. Is there any confusion? No confusion. First 10 liter was there. उस टाइम में I took the P1 and V1 or I for initial, V for I for initial. Okay. Then I compressing, applying pressure. Oh, V final. I can say F or 2. I can say. So obviously more pressure. The PF is higher. PF is higher. This PI is less. Then volume is decreasing. Volume is decreasing means obviously V final is less. V initial is more. This much clear? Now if I apply here, so PI, VI, PF, also VF. Okay. equation number 1 and equation number 2 say, what can I write it here? P initial by P initial V initial equal to P final and V final लिख सकते हैं इसको इधर लिखे, ठीक है, और मोर क्लैरिटी लिखे। ये फिगर तो क्लियर है? Shall I write this? See, Boyle's law is telling that P is inversely proportional to 1 by V. So, if I want to write equal to, in the mathematics we know that some k we have to keep it. K is the constant, then 1 by V. Then that implies PV equal to K. Equation number 1. ये initial condition में I am taking that Pi Vi equal to K. So after I am applying the pressure, obviously more pressure will be there. Then P final V final equal to again K. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. From these two equations I can write Pi Vi equal to Pf Vf. This is the Boyle's law. So generally we will write that P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. ये दो दोनों सेम ही है, एक initial and final. Boyle's law is telling that the relation between pressure and volume, these both are each inversely proportional to pressure is inversely proportional to the volume. Volume is inversely proportional to the pressure. दोनों vice versa. Boyle's law clear? ये example में suppose initially 10 liter was there, 10 liter gas is there, 1 atm. Okay, मैं 5 लीटर तक दबाया, then प्रेशर क्या होता है? प्रेशर इंक्रीज होता है कितना? What is the value? See, P I am giving 1, V I am giving 10. प्रेशर दबाया मैं, प्रेशर I am not telling, this is the question mark. लेकिन V final है ना, V final I am telling you 5 liters. This is the 5 liter, this is the 10 liter. Now P final क्या होगा? 2. Okay, 1 into 10, 1 into 10 that equal here P2 I am not telling you, V2 I am giving. So 5 1s are 5 2s are P2 or P final equal to 2 atm. वो पहले यूनिट क्या है, अभी भी यूनिट वही है, उस टाइम में बार देंगे तो इधर भी बार, उधर पास्कल में इधर पास्कल, ठीक है। चलिए नेक्स्ट, Charles' law. It is telling that the relation between volume versus temperature, एक बलून है, generally the functions we are decorating for function hall wherever. So afternoon time में the balloons will be lost. Why? The summer season में maximum marriage चलता है, afternoon time में फट क्यों? Afternoon time में क्या होता है? Heat will be raised. ठीक है? The balloon is, suppose this is the balloon. ठीक है ना? We will tie it here. The balloon size will be increasing. उतना elasticity properly है तो ठीक है, it will increase the volume. उसका certain limitation होता है. After that, it will be blast. Why it is blasting? Because temperature is raising. Temperature raising तो क्या होगा? Internal gas kinetic energy increasing. Inside pressure will be raised. लेकिन तो pressure तो constant रखा है. प्रेशर का कांस्टेंट रखा है, देन क्या होगा? वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज होना चाहिए. इफ वॉल्यूम इज फिक्स्ड देन प्रेशर विल बी राइज्ड. अभी एग्जांपल प्रेशर कुकर लेते हैं, हीट करते हैं, वो प्रेशर कुकर वॉल्यूम विल बी इंक्रीज? नो, वो तो स्टैंडर्ड वाल्व्स है, वो विजिल दे, वो विजिल को भी दबाया सपोज, देन इट विल ब्लास्ट, इसलिए वो विजिल रखते हैं. ठीक है, वो वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट रखे तो प्रेशर विल बी राइज्ड, बट आई एम कीपिंग प्रेशर इज कांस्टेंट. सर बैलून में प्रेशर कहाँ कांस्टेंट रख रहे हैं, हम कुछ नहीं करते. आप कोर्स तो पूरा एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर है, बैलून के बाहर तो क्या था 180 m ओनली, वो तो फिक्स्ड कांस्टेंट था. सो द वॉल्यूम इज इंक्रीजिंग, इफ द इलास्टिसिटी खत्म हो गया इमीडिएटली इट विल ब्लास्ट. ठीक है. सो नाउ द फाइनल कंक्लूजन इज व्हेन टेंपरेचर इज राइजिंग वॉल्यूम आल्सो राइजिंग. दिस इज वेरी सिंपल. चलो अभी इधर ऐसा बना सकते हैं. V is proportional to T, that implies V equal to KT. तो proportional का कुछ कांस्टेंट रख सकते हैं. Then V by T equal to K, equation number 1. Suppose if I am applying at a condition initial and final में, then क्या होगा? V initial by T initial equal to V final by T final. ये तो इसमें कुछ डाउट है तो बता सकते. ठीक है. तो ये रिलेशन था, इनिशियली हम अप्लाई, फाइनली हम अप्लाई, दोनों के इक्वल टू तो K था. इक्वेशन 1 इक्वल टू इक्वेशन 2, Vi by Di equal to Vf by Tf. So in the textbook or somewhere you can find it V1 by T1 equal to V2 by T2. ये दोनों में कुछ फर्क नहीं है, both are same. Clear? Easy? हाँ, इसमें और एक एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट रहता है. This charge is this much is okay, fine. Still some more information. This volume Vt by increasing 1 degree Celsius, suppose balloon है रूम टेम्परेचर में 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस में. ठीक है. एक balloon हो सकता है मैं 10 लीटर. अब मैं 26 डिग्री सेल्सियस में वो वॉल्यूम कितना बढ़ेगा? उसके लिए दूसरा मेथड है. सो एट T टेम्परेचर द वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू Vt equal to V naught plus 1 by 273. Generally 0.15 लिख सकते हैं. Generally 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस 273 लेते हैं. चलो 273 है ना. Into T at what temperature? So what is V set V naught? V naught means this is only V naught. So V naught कितना था? Initially 10 liters. So here I am applying that 10 liters. So now ये 27.3 हो जाएगा 27. This is the answer. See, so from this the definition is per every 1 degree Celsius, 1 by 273 part इसमें V0, इसलिए वो V0 into V naught होता है. मैं बोल लेता हूँ 1 by 273 part will be rise by increasing 1 degree Celsius. लेकिन किसमें 1 by 273 part वो 0 में था. at 0 degree Celsius में whatever volume is there, in that volume 1 by 273 part will be rise for 1 degree Celsius. For 10 degree Celsius into T 10 करो 100 into 100 करते. Okay. Now the final conclusion is per every 1 degree Celsius 1 by 273 part of volume is increasing. The volume is at 0 degree Celsius. Yes, the volume is at 0 degree Celsius. Whatever volume is there, in that 1 by 273 part will be rising. Sir, suppose if you decrease the temperature, say 1 by 273 part will be decreased by decreasing 1 degree Celsius. Okay, this is the answer. Like this you can calculate. So I forgot this V naught cost. Okay, Charles' law is clear. 2 types of formulas. So these 2 formulas important. Then I will dictate these 2. Then I will continue next. First, you keep the heading Boyle's law. The volume of a given mass of gas, the volume of a given mass of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure at constant temperature. The volume of a given mass of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure at constant temperature. Later you can write it as this. P is directly proportional to 1 by V. P equal to K into 1 by V. Then PV equal to K, equation number 1. Similarly, V final equal to K. ये रफ डायग्राम लिखना है तो लिख सकते हैं. It's not compulsory. It's up to you. Then from equation number 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, equal P final V final. This is also known as P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. The node point is here. Temperature is constant as well. Mass also constant. ये तो सिर्फ ये रफ वर्क था, जरूरत नहीं लिखने के लिए. If you want to write it, so this one also. Next, Charles.